Welcome. In this video, we shall walk through how to download and install Python on Windows 10. First, open up your browser and type Python. Press enter. Hover over the downloads, and this is the latest version of Python. Click on it and it will be started downloading. You can see the Python is downloaded. Now click on file. This is the Python version we have downloaded. Click on it. Now you can see the installation dialog. Before installation, click on this checkbox add python.ext to path. Now start install, and now Python is installing. It will take some moments. Once the installation is complete, you shall see a success message. Now click close to finish. To confirm Python is installed correctly, and we will verify it by typing cmd in Windows search bar. Open up command prompt and now type python space hyphen version and press enter. Now you can see this is the Python latest version. Our Python is installed correctly and working perfectly. Now type IDLE in your Windows search bar and open IDLE. Here we will write our first program. Print hello world and press enter. Now you can see this is our first program that we have written and run. Congratulations, now Python is installed and ready to use on your Windows 10. You can start coding right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tutorials.